Ladies, gentlemen, how are we? Hope we're doing okay. Now, today's video, I want to talk to you about meal prep. Now, meal prep isn't just for bodybuilders, it's not just for competitors. Meal prep is a handy tool that everyone can use to help you with your nutrition, to help you stay on track with things, because at the end of the day, if you don't have food prepared and you're out the house for the day, it's going to make it a lot more difficult to stay on track. Likewise, if you're having a really busy day at work and you're just trying to wing it with your nutrition instead of taking food with you, again, it's going to lead to you making poor choices with your food. It's going to lead to you making choices that aren't in line with your goals. So making sure that you spend some time each week. It could just be blocking out 2 half-an-hour sessions, one on a Sunday night where you prepare some meals for sort of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you meal prep again on Wednesday night for half an hour to prepare your meals for sort of Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then you're absolutely sorted on a food front. You know what you're walking into each day. You know that you've got the right portion sizes for you that are in line with your calorie goals, and it makes things so much easier. So what you can do as well, it depends how busy you are. If you're very busy, you can bulk cook meals and then you can put them in the freezer and then you can just pull them out when you want to use them. Another little bit of advice would be to make your food interesting. Just because you're meal prepping, it doesn't mean it needs to be chicken and pasta, chicken and rice, fish and a rice cake. It can be really tasty meals. So spend a little bit of time having a look at some of the recipes on my client hub. They're absolutely incredible. They're extremely tasty. They're all high protein, and a lot of them you can cook sort of the night before, and then you can take it into work with you. So it makes it a lot easier to keep on track with those nutrition targets. Think about it. When do you tend to fall off track with nutrition? It's when you don't have things prepared, it's when you're busy, it's when you're tired. If you can then pull out a meal that's in line with your goals, your results are going to be so much better because you're going to stay on track with your nutrition pretty much every day of the week rather than trying to wing it.